What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm iamlashondacapri, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little DIY on 3 cloth masks that you can do directly from your home, also known as a better than nothing mask. These are not N95 masks or surgical masks, but this is a mask that will help you on your next outing. I will leave the links down below for the CDC guidelines. Not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so now. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Thumbs up this video and please share this video. So let's jump straight into the video. So for this first mask, you're gonna need a stapler, 2 rubber bands, and a paper towel. What you want to do is start folding your paper towel back and forth horizontal. And this does not have to be perfect at all. Once you get it all folded, you take one of your rubber bands and put it maybe just 1 inch in. Fold the napkin over. Use your stapler. Staple it like that and do the same exact thing on the other side. It should come out just like this. This is how your first mask should have turned out. Just open it up, place it over. And there you go. You now have a one-time use face mask. As you have these creases, it helps you be able to move and talk and better fit your face. Let's move on to the next mask. So for your next mask, it requires you to have a bandana and 2 rubber bands, or you can use 2 scrunchies as well, wherever you have laying around that is able to stretch. You want to lay your bandana out like this. You want to fold 1/2 to the center and the other half to the center, and then turn it around. Fold the other half to the center, other half to the center. Take your rubber band and put it on one end. Like that. Put the other rubber band on the other end. Like that. And then turn it over. And flip this end. And if you want, you can also tuck one side into each other. And there you go. For the next mask, you may just want to take it. And now you have a mask that you can wash and use again. Let's move on to the very last mask. For the last mask, all you need is a pair of clean boxers. Boyfriend boxers, husband boxers, your boxers, doesn't matter. So what you want to do is take the boxers like this, and you want to put one side over your head, like this. Other side, you're just gonna push it behind you. Twist and put that other side over your head. And there you go. You now have a washable face mask. I hope you guys like these 3 quick DIYs that I did for you. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Guys, please share this video and let's continue to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Stay home and only go out if you need to. Please practice washing your hands and having social distance. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you guys found this video again helpful. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.